XNYC Prepper, and I'm watching this live, the border, and they're letting all military-aged men in, just patting them down, let them in. No women, no children, just men. Look at this.
The fake news, the mainstream media would have you believe that these poor people are coming over with their children. Now, there is children, but a major majority is military-age men.
Do you hear that, guys? This is bad. Why would
James
they do
Crosby
this?
says you no longer have a country when you have no border. Amen.
It's a shame this is
what I
happening,
was going to say
guys.
earlier is there was a report, I believe it was from the Washington Examiner this morning, that we took you to the streets of downtown El Paso, that some of those folks, and it was probably the ones giving us attitude and didn't want to be on record, were part of a violent street gang, a prison gang out of Venezuela. They have been identified. They were in El Paso. We don't know how many of those folks have crossed the border.
Of course, there are a whole bunch of enemies coming across the border besides these people. From China, Russia, Iran, who knows? Any of them could disguise themselves as a South American here, and a lot of gangs and everything's coming through our border. This is terrible. Look at that. They just let them in. Next, letting these guys in, and you know, I do feel sorry for some of them. I understand that they're coming from a terrible country in South America, but we don't have room for this, and some of them are not good people. This is not a good thing that's happening. Anyway, America, just gotta pray, because things are crazy now. Between this and World War III and the coming elections, it's crazy. You know, who knows if they impeach Biden and arrest Trump and bring in somebody even worse. That's probably what's going to happen. All right, XNYC Prepper over and out.